Drawing dinosaurs. I don't know why. It reminds me of recovering the satellites. If you know, you know. You're of that age. This book is by Usborne, and it's a step-by-step drawing dinosaurs. If your child is taking GCSEs in arts, it might get them on the path. What is it? It's a activity book that goes step by step and teaches them how to draw, in this instance, dinosaurs. They have many other books of this kind in the Usborne series. Do they have them on the back cover? No, they don't. Marketing opportunity wasted. By the way, it's £8 in the UK. But this one is by far the most fun. It step by step tells them how to draw a dinosaur, which we promptly did, and there's one for you. Following the instructions on the page here. What we ended up doing was taking a A5 piece of paper and then putting these little corners in here and kind of taking it as an instruction book, but also as an album into which we stick our dinosaurs, and we have had loads and loads and loads of fun with this book. It's been absolutely great. Did it end up developing any artistic skills? Well, you can judge from the pictures. Probably not. But was it absolute and great fun? Yes, it was. We ended up printing some of these on mugs and t-shirts, and we had absolute riot of time with this. Ages, 5 through 10 possibly. I don't think you'll have much luck beyond that. Maybe even less. Obviously, some of them better turned out than the others. Have some nice colored pencils at the ready. Use some proper stationery and supplies. Cover them in a bit of spray. What you call it, like the setting spray, the artistic spray. If you're doing different colors so they don't rub off easily. But we've taken this as an arts project, and it's worked really, really, really well for us. So if your child at early age is interested in dinosaurs, I just say go for it. It's a great book, probably the best in the Usborne series. They have many other ones, drawing people, drawing things, but the dinosaurs is the one you want. I'll stick the link in the down there in the description. Definitely worth grabbing if you're a dinosaur parent. Dinosaur parent, dinosaur mom, stop me right there. I'll see you in the next one.